how to make money on Freelancer as a branding specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to search or to find a branding specialist, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go to by skill, and here I'm going to search for the freelancer I'm looking for. So here we have the graphic designers, 3D graphic designers, writers, internet marketing specialists. So you don't have anything in here about branding. So let's go to skill categories to find what we're looking for. And here let's wait for it to load. It takes a little bit of time. Sometimes the platform even crashes in this step, but there is no problem. So here you'll be able to see or to find the one you're looking for. So we're searching for a branding specialist. So let's keep scrolling down. Here we have writing and content, design, media, architecture. We have the B in here, book, break, building, business. Let's keep scrolling. Here we have data entry, engineering. That's not the category we're searching for. Sales and marketing. So here we have brand management, brand marketing, and we have branding. That's what we're looking for. So let's go to branding to see the branding, the expert branding consultants we have in here. And by scrolling down, you can see more branding consultants. As you can see in here, these are their profiles. It's where they're showcasing their skill. They write their skill in here, how much they're getting paid per hour, where are they from, the ratings that they've got in their profile. So you can see everything about them just by checking their profile. So for example, let's check someone's profile. Let's check this one's profile, for example, or this one. Let's check this one's profile. So this profile, the profile of those people will go, is going to say a lot about them. And the reason I'm showing you these profiles is because I want you to know what you're going to learn in today's video from the beginning. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can verify all of these things, how to have them all in check, because these verifications make you seem more legit in the client's eyes and makes it easier to hire you. And here I'm going to show you how to add your description as well. It's where you're going to talk to you a little bit about yourself, talk about your services and those your years of experience and those stuff. And so I'm going to show you how to add your certifications if you have them. And then I'm going to show you how to add your portfolio as well, because the portfolio is very important when it comes to hiring you, because clients like to see your work first, then hire you later. And that's all I'm going to show you in today's video. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. Let's go here, give it a few seconds to load. Click on earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. Let's give it a few seconds to redirect us to our dashboard. And here, this is your dashboard. It's where you're going to control everything and anything about your profile. So let's go up to your top right, and here it's where you're going to control your account and your finances. So here you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, You can check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, your payment sharing, your support. If you have encountered any problems, you can go to support. You can invite friends as well, and you can log out also. And here in your account, you can view your profile, you can check your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. So let's go to view our profile. We need to make a lot of adjustments in the profile. So here, this is the profile. It's very empty. So let's start with editing our profile. And here, as you can see, the email verification is required. So make sure to verify your email first, then upload a profile picture, because there is no client that will work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. And upload a cover photo as well. It's not very important, but it still counts. After that, you proceed to the verifications. As I said in the beginning, they're very important when it comes to building trust. So make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers, and verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method as well, your phone number, the email, we've talked about it before, and if you have a Facebook account, connect it as well. After that, you proceed to your hourly rate, then your professional headline, and the summary is like the description that we saw before. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, the years of experience you have, your offers, your skills, and those kind of stuff. After that, you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, let's enter our skills. Let's remove these ones. And as you can see, you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove these ones. And here, let's enter our skill. Branding. So let's see what do we have about branding. So here we have branding, and let's remove. We have brand marketing, and when you're done with choosing your skills, scroll down and click on save to save those changes. After that, you proceed to drop in your portfolio. As I said, clients like to work with someone who has a good portfolio. After that, it's time then to make some money. So go to browsing here, click on projects. Then you will proceed to see all of the posted jobs from people who are looking for someone with your skills to hire. So if you see a project that fits your requirements, you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.